this gift that I got. I got a gift from my friend for my birthday. Hey, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Jacqueline. Whoever is new here, my name is Jacqueline. My YouTube channel is called Nkach, like Nkach. Please go and check it up. And then let's do this unboxing of this box. Let's see what it is. Okay, this is the box. This is the box. You see what it is? This is the box. We have I can see here some things over here. What are they? Potatoes, onion, carrots, pepper, fries. Ooh, I'm gonna make fries. Let's see what it is. Oh yes, something with the braids over like this. You can see it. Okay, and then I have to do a video making fries with it. This one you cut the fries with it and it falls in here. Oh, and the other one is the big thing. So, I guess this is how you do it. How do you do it? Like this. I think you do like this. This comes here, the braids. The braids comes there. You can see. And then you put this one here together, potatoes when you are slicing them. And then you put a potato here or a carrot here. And then this is the one. You see here something like to push the potato so that you can have the thickness that you want. So you just press like this, you put your potato there. Let's pretend this is a potato. This one, let's say this one is a potato. It's an